Alright, this is Valentine Vengeance Part 2. As I said, here's what we'll do. Weapons 1 World Title. You see, that's how I make my videos. My title match videos. And I don't make a roster, I just use props. Like championship props for the characters. That's my behind the scenes thing, guys. So it's gonna be that. So it's gonna be black logo, ropes red, post white, apron green. Plus that's my favorite color for you all that don't know. La Tormenta versus Beckman, aka look, guys. 1 default. It's an inside ring though. The following contest is scheduled to determine the first ever WWE World Champion. Introducing first. No. Mickey James, yeah. Mickey. And we're coming. Guys, in the Casa Grandes, La Tormenta is the, like in that wrestling fed in the basically La Tormenta's a 9-time world champion. No, I think she's 10-time. So it was a 10th one since she retired. Springboard crossbody by La Tormenta. Just starts showing her athletic prowess through the ring. Look at the counter. Oh, it just got slingshotted right on the referee. On a drop. And a Shogun drop kick. Oh, missed. Looking for the mid kick. Oh, but a punch. Able to startle her. Oh, and a knee right to the face. And the power bomb. Whoa. And a knee to the face again. Whoa. 2 knees. Then go. And now a trifecta of knees. This is... Oh, and an RKO. Oh, victory roll. Oh, snap her right in the face. Taunting her to get it. DDT! Guys, this is the first time we're getting women into this content. Uh-oh, today's forecast. Oh boy. What is she looking? Her signature tornado twist. Then she always likes to say, today's forecast, pain. Oh, La Tormenta Whoa, 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 whoa. And a suplex dragon. Guys, this will be longer than I thought. Whoa, what is La Tormenta thinking? What? Super Rana, this is awesome! And another DDT. Oh, and a sit-out powerbomb. Oh, she wanted her down. And another twist. Oh, mid-kick. The mid-kick. Looking for the championship now. Oh, sunset flip. Whoa! Power! A 450 with knees! Oh, and there's a tornado twist! Oh, she's doing it again! Today's forecast! Hey, but, oh! Accidentally hit the, oh! And another mid kick! No! Looking for a schoolgirl! Oh. Oh, and a power slam! Today's forecast! Pay! With the cover! 1, 2! And La Tormenta is champion one more time! This is insane! And now, this is insane. And now La Tormenta is our new women's champion. And now she will have a talk. Okay, guys. We're gonna hear from La Tormenta. La Tormenta, how do you feel now that you're the new champion and the first step in the inaugural women's champion? It is the great thing that now I am champion one more time. I am a great trailblazer, and in my old fed, I've been a trailblazer, beating everyone like Princesa Valentina, Galayina, and La Loca. They got me into a level of where I had to fight. It got me pumped up for this particular moment. So anyway, I'm proud to show my athletic prowess to the ring, and I wish to turn the new women's division. So I am both a championship holder, so I am hyped for this. Well, guys, back to you. Peace. Here's the part. We're going next to part 3.